Set locations at specific times with Google Calendar. Google has revealed an advanced feature in its calendar, enabling users to comfortably inform their coworkers about their availability and whereabouts throughout the day. The Working Locations feature allows users to indicate their work location via their schedules. However, the recent update enables users to set specific working locations for different time periods, providing a more accurate representation of their availability. Google showcased the commonness of working from different locations in hybrid work environments in an announcement. The enhanced Working Locations feature offers better coordination among colleagues, allowing them to determine whether an in-person meeting is feasible or if a video conference needs to be scheduled instead. Working Location option specifies the time frame and indicates their location for that particular period. The upgraded Working Location feature is now available to users of Google Workspace, consisting of subscriptions like Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise Standard, Enterprise Plus, Education Fundamentals, Education Standard, Education Plus, the Teaching and Learning Upgrade, and non-profit plans.